Hello, good people. We're going to study now fractions. And there are different ways you can understand a fraction. For example, you can look at it here. I have a pizza pie. So this here is 1/4 of the pizza pie. Here I have a bag of marbles. This is 3/8. Now it's not exactly the same. This is 1/4. This slice here is 1/4 of the total area of the pie. That's kind of how we're looking at it. Whereas here it's 3/8 marbles. But either way, that's 1/4 and that's 3/8. They're different ways of perceiving it, but it's still the same thing. Another way of perceiving it is by using a number line. We could look at the number line here. This represents 4/5, and this here represents 6/10. These are just different ways of understanding what a fraction is. A technical definition of a fraction is any number that can be written in the form P over Q, where P and Q are integers and Q does not equal 0. You know terrible things happen if you put a 0 on the bottom of a fraction. They're too horrible to speak of, but you know. But what do I mean can be written? Is there a number that cannot be written in this form? Yes, irrational numbers. Irrational numbers such as pi or the square root of 2 cannot be written as fractions. Fractions P over Q, where P and Q are integers, and of course Q cannot be 0. And pi and square root of 2 are not the only irrational numbers, they're just kind of famous ones, which I'm mentioning for example.